Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Turbo Trail. So in this video we are going to see something interesting which is called zero waste. So is it possible? Yeah, it's possible. A small community of 1600 people in Japan from a place called Kamikatsu has implemented this successfully, and they are very successful, like really successful in what they do about zero waste. So let's see what they are doing which make them unique. As I already told, they have implemented something called Zero Waste Academy. So we already know about reduce, reuse, and recycle, which are the three basic R's of zero waste. So apart from that, they implement something called compost, which is nothing but there is some kind of waste called food waste, which can be used as fertilizers for local fields and agriculture. So they have implemented such a beautiful thing, and like they are following it in every household and every local businesses which is available in their community. So this has made them like to achieve greater heights in terms of this zero waste concept. So what are the achievements of Kamikatsu in terms of zero waste? They have achieved a recycling waste rate of 80%. So they are capable of recycling waste like 80% of the waste whichever they receive. So which is like a significant improvement compared to other parts of the world. And they do something like called zero waste accreditation. So they certify local businesses with zero waste enabled certification or accreditation so that these businesses will be empowered to implement their own zero waste goals. The most unique thing about Kamikatsu is Kurukuru. Kurukuru is nothing but a local shop. So what's so special about it? Kurukuru is nothing but a second-hand shop. Second-hand shop in the sense, for example, if you have something which you don't use for a long period of time in your house, if and you belong to the society of Kamikatsu, then what you can do is that you can take that item and place it in the shop called Kurukuru. So whomever is in necessary of that item can reuse it like for free. So by this method, they have achieved something like reusing rate of 85%, which is far higher compared to any other form of reusability. So this has improved their status quo in terms of zero waste. So this picture shows about zero waste academy. So in this picture you can see they're recycling glass bottles, and this picture shows the collection centers of zero waste academy. So they are categorizing waste into different categories and they are placing containers to collect different types of waste. So whatever we have seen so far in terms of Kamikatsu, is it very easy? Is it possible? No, it's not. It is not very easy. It is very difficult for this kind of achievement to be done. So what they have done? So they are sorting waste into 45 different categories. They are sorting waste of 45 different categories. So do you think it's very simple? No, it's not very simple. It takes a lot of time and effort and sorting these kind of waste. For example, to give you a slight glance of what they're doing. For example, if you are recycling a bottle caps should go separately. The plastic water bottle should go separately, and the label on the bottle should go separately. So within a single entity, there are three different kinds of waste they are categorizing. So now you can see like what is the kind of difficulty you're facing while doing this kind of thing. But at first, it was implemented in the year 2003 in Kamikatsu. So now it has been more than a decade. So now people start to do it kind of a habit. They are thinking it kind of a habit than more than a burden. So what they have done is that they have become more and more responsible in terms of protecting their society and the place they live. So from this, what we can learn is that by doing these kind of things, like for example, a small change in a community of 1,600 people. So this is very much achievable compared to a larger cities like New York or Mexico or New Delhi or Chennai. So what you can do is that as a responsible individual of this world, to be honest, we can do something like we can create awareness and we can create such a kind of zero waste movements in your locality, so which can bring about a small change. But think about it, small changes can lead to a bigger one when they are combined together. So I hope From this video, you can learn that zero waste concept will improve our living standards of future generations as well in a far better manner. So kindly reduce waste and reuse, recycle and compost. So like, share and subscribe for more videos. Hope this video was very much informative to you. And thank you. Have a great day.